Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Investment IQ Insights. Today, we're diving deep into the 10 best stocks we believe you could buy today and potentially hold forever. We're talking about companies that have not only stood the test of time, but are also primed for continued growth in the future. So, buckle up, grab your notepad, and get ready to take some notes. Before we get started, we kindly ask that you subscribe to our channel for weekly stock tips and personal finance advice. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get started. First up, we have the undisputed king of the internet, Google, or as it's officially known, Alphabet Inc. This company holds a near monopoly on the search engine market, and that's not even their only trick. They've got their hands in everything from self-driving cars with Waymo to YouTube to Android, and even cutting-edge artificial intelligence projects. Talk about diversification. But here's the thing that really gets us excited about Google, and it's their constant innovation. They're not content with just sitting on their pile of search engine cash. They're constantly investing in new technologies and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Think about it. Every time someone searches on Google, watches a video on YouTube, or clicks on an ad, it adds to their bottom line. Investing in Google is like investing in the future of the internet itself. And that, my friends, is why it's one of the 10 stocks we would buy today and never sell. Next up, we have another tech titan that needs no introduction, Apple Inc. These guys are masters of innovation, consistently churning out sleek, user-friendly devices that people absolutely love. But it's not just the hardware that makes Apple a fantastic investment. It's the ecosystem they've built around their products. Once you're plugged into the Apple ecosystem, it's pretty hard to leave. That's brand loyalty at its finest. And let's not forget about their services revenue. Apple Music, the App Store, iCloud. These are all recurring revenue streams that are growing year after year. Apple is sitting on a mountain of cash, giving them the financial firepower to acquire other companies and invest in new technology. With their loyal customer base and strong financial position, I'm confident that Apple will continue to be a dominant force in the tech world for decades to come. And that's why Apple is on our list. Our next contender is a company that's been around the block a few times, Microsoft Corporation. They're the brains behind Windows, the operating system that powers most of the world's computers. But Microsoft is far from a one-trick pony. They've successfully transitioned from a software-centric company to a cloud computing powerhouse with their Azure platform. Azure is already giving Amazon Web Services a run for its money, and I believe this segment of their business has massive growth potential. Microsoft still dominates in areas like productivity software with Office 365, gaming with Xbox, and professional networking with LinkedIn. They're constantly adapting and evolving, which makes them a true survivor in the tech world. Investing in Microsoft is like investing in a well-diversified tech conglomerate that's constantly reinventing itself. They've got a proven track record of success, a strong leadership team, and a bright future ahead of them. And that's why we believe Microsoft deserves a spot on our list of the 10 best stocks to own for life. Next up, we have the behemoth of online retail, Amazon.com Inc. From books to electronics to groceries, Amazon is the go-to destination for online shoppers worldwide. Their dominance in e-commerce is only getting stronger. They've also become a major player in cloud computing with Amazon Web Services, or AWS. And let's not forget about Amazon Prime, a subscription service people can't live without. Amazon is constantly innovating and expanding into new markets. Investing in Amazon is like investing in the future of retail and cloud computing. Now let's talk about Facebook, or as they're now known, Meta Platforms Inc. With billions of users across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, they've created a social media empire that's unlike anything the world has ever seen. But Facebook is more than just a social media company. They're also investing heavily in the future of technology, particularly virtual reality and the metaverse. Their acquisition of Oculus put them at the forefront of the VR revolution, and they're betting big on the idea that the metaverse will be the next big thing in computing. Facebook has a knack for weathering storms. They've faced challenges before, and they've always come out on top. Their advertising platform is a money-printing machine. Businesses can't afford to ignore the massive reach of Facebook's platforms, and that gives them incredible pricing power. Investing in Facebook or Meta is a bet on the future of social interaction, virtual reality, and the metaverse. It's a company with its fair share of risks, but also with enormous potential rewards. And that's why Meta is on our list. Now let's switch gears a bit and talk about a company that's a little different from the tech giants we've covered so far. Berkshire Hathaway Inc. This conglomerate is like a greatest hits album of American businesses, with holdings in everything from insurance to railroads to consumer goods. But the real reason to own Berkshire Hathaway is the man behind the curtain, Warren Buffett. This legendary investor, often called the Oracle of Omaha, has a track record of picking winners that's practically unmatched. Berkshire Hathaway is essentially a collection of Buffett's best investment ideas, all bundled into one convenient stock. Berkshire Hathaway is about slow, steady, and reliable growth. It's about investing in companies that are built to last and letting the magic of compounding work its wonders over time. Investing in Berkshire Hathaway is like investing in the wisdom and experience of Warren Buffett himself. And that's why Berkshire Hathaway is on our list. Now, let's talk about a company that's literally in the business of keeping people healthy. Johnson & Johnson. This healthcare giant is a household name with products ranging from Band-Aids and Tylenol to cutting-edge medical devices and pharmaceuticals. Johnson & Johnson is a true blue-chip company with a long history of dividend payments and a reputation for quality and reliability. But Johnson & Johnson is more than just a safe and steady dividend payer. They're also a leader in innovation, constantly researching and developing new treatments and technologies to improve human health. From cancer therapies to orthopedic implants, Johnson & Johnson is at the forefront of medical advancements. Healthcare is a recession-resistant industry. People get sick, need medical care, and buy over-the-counter medications regardless of what's happening in the economy. Investing in Johnson & Johnson is like investing in a healthier future, both for yourself and for the world. And that's why Johnson & Johnson is on our list. Next up, let's talk about a company that's at the heart of the global financial system, Visa Inc. This payment processing giant is the gatekeeper for trillions of dollars in transactions every year, and their network is essential for businesses and consumers around the world. Every time you swipe your Visa card, whether it's online or at a physical store, Visa takes a small cut. With the world moving increasingly towards digital payments, Visa is perfectly positioned to benefit from this trend. Cash is becoming less and less common, and even in developing countries, digital payment methods are rapidly gaining popularity. Visa's business model is incredibly scalable. It doesn't really cost them much more to process a $10 transaction than it does to process a $10,000 transaction. Investing in Visa is like investing in the future of money itself, and that's why Visa is on our list. Let's talk about a company that makes products you use every day without realizing it, Procter & Gamble Company. This giant is behind iconic brands like Tide, Crest, Gillette, and Pampers. Procter & Gamble sells products people need daily, regardless of the economy. They're masters of marketing and brand building, creating products people love. Once you find a brand you like, you stick with it for years. This gives Procter & Gamble a predictable revenue stream, and that's why Procter & Gamble is on our list. Finally, let's round out our list with a company that's at the heart of the global financial system, JPMorgan Chase & Company. This banking behemoth is a one-stop shop for all your financial needs, from checking and savings accounts to mortgages and investment banking services. JPMorgan Chase is one of the largest banks in the world, and they're considered to be one of the safest and most stable financial institutions out there. Banks benefit from rising interest rates. As interest rates rise, so do the profits that banks make on their loans. JPMorgan Chase is poised to profit handsomely from rising interest rates. They're also a leader in investment banking, asset management, and private equity. This diversification helps to insulate them from downturns in any one particular market. Investing in JPMorgan Chase is like investing in the stability and strength of the global financial system. And that's why JPMorgan Chase is on our list. And there you have it, the 10 best stocks that we believe you can buy today and potentially hold forever. These companies are leaders in their industries with strong track records of success and bright futures ahead of them. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. These stocks might not make you rich overnight, but over the long term, they have the potential to generate significant wealth and help you achieve your financial goals. So, do your own research, consult with a financial advisor, and start building your own portfolio of forever stocks today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. If you liked this video, check out the 2 appearing on the screen. We think you'll like them too. Thanks for watching.